achieving Indonesia Digital 2045, we need to optimize our demographic bonus through inclusivity, empowerment, and sustainability. I've been taking real actions by opening doors for thousands of youth through my platform that I call Miracation, Miracle for Education. And tonight, I want you to believe that you are able in taking part as well. Believe in your capacity and accelerate your passion. Because you today is the future of tomorrow. And I'm Miracle, your Putri Indonesia, Jambi. Thank you.
Waking up and realizing we have done more damage than good in this world is depressing. As a Balinese, I fully understand that our prosperity rotates heavily on tourism accommodation. Carbon emission is more than destructive. Carbon emission needs to be halved by 2030 and reach net zero by 2060. As change makers, our time is now. My name is Ketut Permata Julia Sritsari, your Putri Indonesia Bali, and I am a change maker.
For far too long, women have been silenced. But no more, not today. Today, I want all my sisters out there to never underestimate the power of your voice and the impact of your actions. Inclusivity in policymaking is not a luxury, but a strategic necessity for women's welfare. And that's what my organization Empower has been championing for more than 2 years. I believe the time for change is now, and we are the architect of that change. I'm Gina Rehana, Putri Indonesia DKI Jakarta 1 2024.
Saya memiliki passion di bidang UMKM dan juga pemberdayaan ekonomi pada wanita. Dengan latar belakang dan juga pengalaman saya seorang banker dan kini menjadi direktur operasional, saya membawa advokasi saya ke nasional, menginspirasi dan juga membantu lebih banyak lagi pelaku UMKM, terutama pemberdayaan ekonomi pada perempuan. Mari bersama-sama kita dukung pemberdayaan pada wanita dan juga UMKM. Saya, Cindy Valencia, Putri Indonesia Kalimantan Barat 2, 2024. Dari Sambas untuk Indonesia.
Carbon emissions affect our Mother Earth significantly. As the younger generation, we are all connected by the internet, and it is our strength to create a global movement towards climate change. We can maximize our social media to promote green energy campaigns, encourage young people to use hybrid vehicles, and advocate for renewable energy. I firmly believe that the power of the younger generation can make a change into a better world. I'm Veronica Asadoma, your Putri Indonesia Nusa Tenggara Timur 1.
Indonesia is rich in cultural diversity. More than 1,300 ethnicities in Indonesia live together in harmony under the philosophy of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means unity in diversity. Let's echo this spirit together by reprioritizing musyawarah mufakat, helping each other in gotong royong, and in the cultural values of rendah sama rendah dan berdiri sama tinggi. Saya Joan Angelina, your Putri Indonesia, Bangka Belitung.
This modern society offers us a lot of chances, but sometimes we hesitate to take one of the chances just because we're afraid of failure. Tonight, I'm standing here as a proof that chances hold a significant power. And tonight, I want to encourage all of you young generation out there to have a courage to take anything, any chances in your life, because it will lead you to an incredible journey, and of course, you will grow beyond your limit. I am Melati Teja, your Putri Indonesia, Jawa Timur.
Saya merasa sangat sedih dengan kasus stunting di Indonesia. Faktor utama adalah kurangnya edukasi pada orang tua. Selain pendidikan, saya percaya pencegahan stunting dapat mengubah Indonesia menjadi generasi emas di tahun 2045.
dengan meningkatkan nilai gizi pada ibu hamil dan menyusui serta anak-anak. Pahami kasus stunting sejak dini, cegah hilangnya satu generasi. Saya Suci Anissa, Putri Indonesia Aceh 2024. Aceh, Lot sayang!
Di tengah permasalahan lingkungan seperti polusi dan deforestasi, upaya generasi muda masih dianggap sebelah mata. Namun saya percaya, melalui advokasi Mother of Nature yang saya jalankan, saya dapat mengajak generasi muda Indonesia untuk turut andil dalam pengelolaan sumber daya alam yang berkelanjutan bagi Indonesia. Ingatlah, hal kecil yang dilakukan secara bersama akan berdampak besar untuk bumi kita. Mari menginspirasi dan berkontribusi. Dari saya, Harashta Habibah Zahra, Your Putri Indonesia Jawa Barat.
Talking about being a woman, I was born and raised in an island called Papua. I've been through a lot, but I'm not complaining. Because today I'm standing here to voice through my advocacy, Mate Bersuara, that every woman in West Papua deserves better health, better education, better legal protection, and a better support system as a business local woman there. And I believe through my voice at the platform Putri Indonesia can bring their own freedom as a woman. I am Anissa Dabedu Putesha, your Putri Indonesia, Papua Barat.
Terlahir sebagai seorang wanita di keluarga yang menanamkan kasih kepada Tuhan dan kasih kepada sesama, membuat saya peduli dan mengasihi sesama. Bergabung bersama keluarga Yayasan Putri Indonesia adalah anugerah karena saya dapat menciptakan advokasi saya, Shell Shine, dengan pendidikan di Indonesia, dengan menyediakan sarana dan prasarana. Dan juga saya berharap dapat menunjang Indonesia Maju 2045. Karena saya percaya anak Tuhan hadir menjadi berkat dan garam untuk sesama. I am Chelsea Beatrix Putri, your Putri Indonesia from Bumi Angin Malamiri, Sulawesi Selatan. Ewako.
The role of the young generation in building our nation is incredibly important. With more opportunities available than ever before, it's our job to make a difference. As Putri Indonesia, with my advocacy Start With What You Have, we help others unlock their abilities and find opportunities. For the future of our country, our golden dream of 2045 depends on all of us working together. Let us all join hands and light the way to a better Indonesia. I'm Larissa Melinda, your Putri Indonesia DKI Jakarta 3. Thank you.
The ever-rising of human emissions have caused damage to millions of people and environment. That's why I'm standing here in front of you to encourage you to practice green lifestyle. But practicing green lifestyle is not just buying eco things, but it is an unwavering commitment to practice green lifestyle and say no to emissions. To all youngsters who are watching, please, no emissions and say yes for a greener future. I'm Sophie Kirana, Putri Indonesia, Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta 2024.
Nowadays, we have more opportunities to contribute to nation building through entrepreneurship. And through my advocacy Ekonomi Mengajar, I want to encourage the youth generation to create jobs opportunity like I do in my business, Hostel Bistro and Driving Range. We need to step out of our comfort zone to embrace Indonesia Emas 2045. Let's be part of the prosperous future of Indonesia. I'm Novita Patipelohi, your Putri Indonesia Maluku 2024. Tabea!
With 52% of Indonesia population consisting of young people, Indonesian youth will shape our future nations. To optimize our role, space to investment must be given to us. To all my fellow young generations, obstacles should not holding us back. Take risks because you are the future leader of this nation. I am Nabika Nisa Salsabila Pasaribu, your Putri Indonesia, Sumatera Utara.
The imbalance of gender roles in this society has less benefit for women. But when I visited an integrated healthcare center in Serang, I saw that they actively recruit women nurses and doctors in order to help ill mothers and children. This is proof that women can become frontliners and an opportunity for the government to open access to women entrepreneurs, financial literacy, and whole socio-economic development in Indonesia. I am Latisa Maura, your Putri Indonesia Batang Jawara.